So, I was walking through Walmart, and I literally did that stops, double takes, walks backwards as I passed this. And said, oh my god, what are those? So, I've never seen these before. They are called Cave Club dolls. And look at this articulation. They're like the muscly version of Monster High dolls. They have articulation at the wrist and elbow and shoulder and knee, and oh my gosh, I was so excited. So I bought one of each. There was one male and there were a bunch of different females, so I bought a male and a female, and we're gonna play with these. I'm so excited. I have no idea what these are. I'm assuming they'll work the same as Monster High dolls. I don't know. We'll find out. Let's get going. Ah! So it looks like for $12, this guy's name is Slate. He comes with a little companion whose name is Taggy, I think. Which is he's like a little chicken with an afro. That's 100% what he looks like to me. A little chicken with big eyes and well, it's either an afro or a broccoli. I'm not really sure which. Haha. And he comes with a bag. Looks like he's got a paintbrush. I think this is like a journal. Oh, it opens. It's not a bag, it's a journal. Maybe it opens. It looks like it's supposed to open. Yep. Oh yeah, look, and there's supposed to be like paintbrushes in it. Let's see this little picture. Can you see? See? And it's a little brush case. Alright. So maybe he's doing cave wall paintings. Oh, he's got a little palette on his arm. That's cute. So it looks like he's an artistic type, as he's got paint splatters on his face. He also has a comb. At the very least, the top of his head appears to be rooted hair. Let's get down to Yep. It's actually pretty thickly rooted. It's kind of nice. Alright. As you can see, he has articulation in the knee. Not the ankle though. I couldn't tell before in the box if he had ankle articulation, but there's no joint there. So it's the knee and the hip, arm, or shoulder, I mean, elbow, and wrist, and head, of course. It's like he's got one hand that's perpetually holding on to the paintbrush, the other hand's out straight. But yeah, that is all I have to say about him. Okay, and according to the box, this one's name is Emberly, and her little raptor, I guess, maybe? It's more like a snake face with a raptor body, but her little friend's name is Flare. She comes with a club that, oh, haha, how clever, opens up into a torch. That's kind of cool. And a comb as well. And she has a headband that is attached to her head with little thingies that I'm going to cut off. She is also articulated in the same spots as her counterpart. No ankle articulation. Again, I couldn't tell because of these ankle thingies. But she does have the knee, the hip, the wrist, the elbow, the shoulder, and the head. Now, one thing I do want to know is, can I pull out the... Aha! Look at that! It works like Monster High dolls. You can take off their hands. Take off their elbows too? Let's find out. Uncertain. Oh, it looks like there's a peg in there. Hold on. I'll get up. Worst comes to worst, I'll break it. And then she'll have to have no arm. Alright, hold on. Bust out the heavy artillery. Ooh, well, there goes her hand. I'm gonna have to guess no. There's no way that can be meant to come out because I just put a whole lot of force on that and it still didn't come out. So it looks like you can remove their hands, but you cannot remove their forearms like Monster High dolls. But still, removable hands, that's cool. She definitely looks like somebody who's got tools. She got a little pickaxe on her belt, or something like that, and then her club and her torch. Her hair is rooted as well. It is rooted all the way down instead of just the top of the head. Her hair seems to be rooted a little bit less thickly than his hair. But, you know, still hair, so whatever. No articulation at the waist, looks like. But yeah, so I guess that is all I have to say about these guys as far as unboxing them. Now, the question is, what do I make them into? Well, I posted a poll on Instagram. They got a few responses asking if you would like to see a cryptid or an elemental repaint. And it was split exactly 50-50, so it didn't help me very much. So I guess I will ask here on YouTube. We can't use polls anymore, they took that function away. But what I can do is post this, and you can tell me in the comments if you would prefer to see a cryptid, so something based on something from cryptozoology, Bigfoot, or Jersey Devil, or the Loch Ness Monster, something like that. And I'm going to keep the horizons for that very broad. So any supernatural sort of creature, I guess. I would include, for example, a Wendigo in that. Or I would include Japanese yokai, for example. So would you like to see that kind of repaint, or would you like to see something that is magic-based? So an elemental, or a wizard, or a sorcerer, or something magical, I guess. But distinctly more people-ish, I guess. I have a feeling a cryptid would take a lot of body modifications, and the elemental would take far less body modifications, if that gives you an idea for what I'm thinking for each. But yeah, so let me know in the comment section down below what kind of a repaint you would like to see with one or both of these dolls, and I will see what I can do. Oh, also in the meantime, I do apologize that it's taking me longer than I expected to announce the winners for my Copic giveaway. I had so many responses, and a lot of them were really good. So I'm actually having kind of a hard time choosing the winners. I should have the announcement video up on Sunday. That's my goal, anyway. And we know that, you know, a lot of the time I end up getting things done a little bit later than I planned, so expect sometime early in the week, anytime between Sunday and Wednesday, I'll probably have the winners announced. But yeah, please like this video, If you like doll customs and you're as excited as I am about this new kind of doll, I'm very excited about it. And they're for $12. There's a lot of articulation in these dolls. Not quite as much versatility as Monster High dolls because, like I say, you can't remove their forearms, but you can remove their hands. And I'm sure they're interchangeable. So that's cool.
Oh, also these dolls are about 8 inches tall, which is about 2 inches shorter than Monster High dolls and about an inch or so shorter than the Little Sister dolls. In case you were wondering how these stack up size-wise against Monster High dolls, these are a little bit smaller. And of course they have the different curvier, more muscled body type. Please don't forget to leave a comment letting me know what kind of a doll repaint you would like to see with these. And subscribe for more doll customs, creative stuff. I do all kinds of things on this channel. Lots of creative, artsy things. Anyway, yeah, I guess until next time, I will talk to all of you soon. Bye!